Welcome in, cruise fam. Today we have a musical cruise ship horn battle with the Disney Treasure taking on the Enchanted Princess. Disney Treasure has all kinds of Disney songs it can play from the horns, while Enchanted Princess does the Love Boat theme song. Let me know in the comments who you think takes this one. Literally. There's one. Small World 2. Be Our Guest number 3. Do you want to build a snowman 4? Wish Upon a Star 5. Disney Cruise Line ships like the Treasure use custom electro-pneumatic horn systems designed to play multi-note melodies. Compressed air activation. The system uses high-pressure air tanks to push air through tuned horn chambers. Each chamber corresponds to a specific musical note. It has a digital controller sequence the airflow timing, allowing the horns to play melodies like Grim Grinning Ghost or A Whole New World with precision. It also has a controller to ensure each note is played at the correct duration and spacing, essentially turning the ship into a giant brass instrument. If you like the Disney Treasure, hit that like button, and now let's move on to the competitor. Up next, the Enchanted Princess. The Enchanted Princess is part of Princess Cruises, and it features one of the most iconic musical horn systems at sea, famous for playing the Love Boat theme during sail away. It has a multi-horn array. The ship uses a series of horns, each tuned to a specific musical note. Together, they form a playable scale. They use high-pressure air that's released through each horn in sequence, producing the melody. Hope you enjoy this one. Let me know who wins in the comments. Here we go, Enchanted Princess. Enjoy. Get you guys right. And here she comes. Amazing. There we go. First time ever. Well, besides that one where we didn't get to hear it. So awesome. So many people out there on the back here. There you have it. The Enchanted Princess from Princess Cruises. The Love Boat theme song. Both these ships have amazing horns. All the Disney ships have amazing horns. And this one is just as nice to me. It was the first time we got to hear it when we went to Port Everglades. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't go anywhere though. Do have bonus horns coming up from Port Everglades. Which cruise ship is it? Again, let me know in the comments which one of these two won the battle. Which two cruise ships do you want me to put in up against each other next? And just let me know. Did you know all the Disney cruise ship songs? Enjoy. Did that just scare you? I saw you jump.